In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts in a Jitter video. Whether you're seeking to add a touch of personality to your project or striving for a visually cohesive design, customizing your font can make a big difference. Let's jump right into it, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First up, we need to navigate to Drafts on Jitter. Once you're logged in and on the home page, look for the option labeled Drafts. Here you'll find all your saved projects. Click on the one where you'd like to adjust the font. It's crucial to select the correct file since our changes will specifically apply to it. After you've opened your chosen draft, we need to switch from the Animate panel to the Design panel. At the top of your screen, you might notice several menu options. By default, Jitter opens in the Animate tab. However, for editing visual elements like fonts, click on the Design tab instead. This area is where we can make all sorts of aesthetic adjustments. Once inside the Design panel, focus on identifying the exact scene you wish to edit. In Jitter, projects are divided into scenes. These are like individual slides in a presentation, and isolating the specific scene you want to edit ensures that our changes are applied correctly. So click on the scene that contains the text you want to modify. Now it's time to select the text element. Click directly on the text box within your selected scene. You'll notice options specifically tailored for text editing become available once a text box is active, allowing us to dive into the font adjustments. Next, locate the Font Family drop-down menu. This drop-down is usually positioned in the Text Options panel on the right side of your screen. Clicking on it reveals a comprehensive list of fonts that you can choose from. Here you'll find all available font styles, including the ones you've uploaded or are already provided by Jitter. Finally, it's all about the fun part, picking your font. Browse through the options and click on any font that suits your project's theme and design. Once you make your selection, watch how your text transforms instantly, giving your video a whole new vibe. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to change up the fonts within your Jitter video project. Customizing fonts can greatly impact how your audience perceives your message, so feel free to explore and experiment with different styles to see what best suits your content. Remember, design is all about expressing your creativity, so don't hesitate to try out new things. Thanks for watching and happy editing.